Today is our first session. Hello. Today today is today is our first session of English subject. Let us start. I think already you all have received a few information regarding our subject through WhatsApp by our Chitrasen sir. Today I myself Shafi Ahmad, who is going to teach you about English subject. In English subject, the English grammar. In this session, in today's session, I am going to start English grammar. Will you reply me?
Good
What do you
morning,
under?
sir.
Okay, good morning. What do you understand by English grammar? You all have studied from class 6 to 10th. Now you are in class 11th. What have you studied? Whatever you have studied, now give me in a line, in a sentence, what is grammar? Anybody? Anybody? Do you have any idea how to explain about grammar? Okay, let me tell you. English grammar is a very important part of language. With the help of grammar, we can able to understand, we can able to learn, we can able to write any type of sentences in a proper way. And in grammar, grammar has a good number of genre. It has a good number of branches like parts of speech, tenses, voice, determiners, narration, that is direct and indirect speech, syntax, synthesis. These things are very important part of the grammar. And today in this session, I am going to teach you about time and tense. Do you have about idea about time and tense? Do you have any idea about time and tense? Time and tense. Let us start. Try to understand about difference between time and tense. As we know, often this is the general information about the students that time and tense both are the equal. But it should be in our mind that time and tense both are the very, very different part of each one. Time shows only about day, month, year, and tense relates to verb. With the help of auxiliary verb, we will be able to identify the sentence which has been written in front of us. That sentence is in which tense. Let us understand one thing. Time, one definition about time and tense. Time is a universal, time is a universal, non-linguistic concept with three divisions, that is past, present, and future. By tense, we understand the correspondence between the form of the verb and our concept of time, past, present, and future. One line is there that is universal. One word is there that is universal. Time is a universal. Means universal denotes day, months, year. Remember one thing, time is free from languages, that is non-linguistic concept, with three division, that is past, present and future. About tense, as we know through the definition that we understand the correspondence between the form of the verb and our concept of time, past, present and future. There are two types of grammar. One is modern grammar, second one is traditional grammar. First one is modern grammar, second one is traditional grammar. In modern grammar, there is no use of future tense. Means according to modern grammarians, there are two types of tenses. First one is present tense, second one is past tense. About future tense, with the help of auxiliary verb like shall, will, can, may, we use the sentences that is denoted in future tense, and that is a very important thing. With the help of these auxiliary verbs like shall, will, whatever we are writing the sentences, that is in simple present tense. But according to traditional grammar, we are bound to study about present, past and future. Each tense has four kinds, like present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. In the same way in past, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. In future also, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Have you any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. No, they are speaking. Okay. Now, if you want to write down this definition about time and tense, you may note it down. Note it down, please. Are you able to look the board?
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. We can't see the whole definition.
Okay, I am speaking and listen it carefully and write it down. Now put down the definition, that is time and tense. Time and tense is the heading. Write down definition, that is time is a universal. Time is a universal, comma, non-linguistic concept. Non-linguistic concept with three divisions. With three divisions. That is past, present and future. And future. Semicolon. By tense, we understand the correspondence 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 between the form of the verb and our concept of time, past, present and future. Okay, past, present and future. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Your concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down another definition about tense. Write down another definition about tense. Tense changes the form of verb. Tense changes the form of verb to express the time of an action. Once again, tense changes the form of verb to express the time of an action. Hence, कार्य के समय के मुताबिक वर्ब के रूप में जो परिवर्तन होता है उसे टेंस कहते हैं. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Actually, it often happens that we all are studying tense, voice, narration, and if anybody is asking what is tense, then we are unable to give the appropriate definition regarding tense. If anybody is asking what is tense, then we are able to say that tense changes the form of verb to express the time of an action. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us understand with the help of some examples that what is the difference between time and tense. Students, one sentence is there, could you help me? One sentence is there, could you help me? Now tell me, in which tense this sentence has been written and
Past.
in which
Past.
time this sentence shows.
Past में tense.
सर पास्ट में.
Very good. And time? This sentence has been written in past tense. There is no doubt. But this sentence shows the time in which, that is past, present or future. Present. How?
Present.
How?
सर वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगा है.
वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगा है. वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, वुड यू डू मी अ फेवर? Would you do me a favor? Would you do me a favor?
सर प्रेजेंट टेंस.
Present tense. This sentence has been written in present tense. Are you
No,
sure?
sir, past. No, sir, past tense.
Past tense में. Earlier I told you that shall, will. Yes, would is the past form of will. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Would you done?
Yes, sir.
Would you do me a favor? This sentence has been written in past, but shows the time in present. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Avnish Kumar. Be serious, dear. Okay. Now let me write one more sentence. I wanted to tell you. I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you. Now tell me, this sentence has been written in which tense and what is the time of this sentence? Means that this sentence shows which time?
Past indifferent, sir.
Huh?
Past present tense.
Past or present?
पास्ट सर.
Past.
Present.
And time?
सर पास्ट.
Time.
Time?
Present, sir.
Yes, I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you. This sentence has been written in past tense and this shows that to the present time. Why? Because if we say in Hindi, if we translate this sentence in Hindi, that is, I wanted to talk to you, means कि मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता था. का मतलब ये नहीं हुआ कि मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता था और अब तुमसे बात करना नहीं चाहता हूँ. Earlier I wanted to talk to you. Right now I want to talk to you, and in future too also. Okay. Especially we can say that this sentence has been written in past tense and time shows present. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Be careful regarding tense, because tense is, we can say that tense is the heart of grammar. With the help of tense requires everywhere during grammar. Whenever we will write, whenever we will understand, whenever we will read anything that is written in English language, we need time, we need tense. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next sentence is, it is going to rain. It is going to rain. Now tell me,
Present, sir.
in which tense?
Present,
the
sir.
sentence- Present. Very good.
Present.
And time?
Future.
Future.
Future. Very nice. Is going. This verb shows that this sentence has been written in present tense, but the expectation is about future. That is, it is going to rain. बारिश हो रही है, जो होने वाली है. होने वाली. बारिश हो रही है कि होने वाली है?
होने वाली.
Okay.
Yes, sir. होने वाली है.
होने वाली है. तो हम अगर बारिश होने वाली है और अगर हमको लिखना हो इट इज
It is raining.
अबाउट टू रेन। अब इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब हुआ?
बारिश होने जा रही है।
बारिश होने जा रही है। किसका मतलब? इसका मतलब कि इसका मतलब?
It is about to rain.
इट इज अबाउट टू रेन। इसका मतलब बारिश होने जा रही है। और इट इज गोइंग टू रेन,
दोनों सेंटेंस
both are same?
Yes.
No, there is a quite difference between it is going to rain and it is about to rain. It is going to rain means बारिश होने जा रही है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम लोग बैठे हैं, बाहर मौसम बहुत फेवरेबल है, ठंडी हवाएं बह रही हैं और ऐसा लग रहा है, हम महसूस कर सकते हैं कि अब बारिश होने जा रही है। और इट इज अबाउट टू रेन, यहाँ पे अबाउट टू का यूज हम करते हैं। वेयर एवर वी यूज अबाउट टू, देयर इन हिंदी वी कैन से वाली है। दैट इज इट इज अबाउट टू रेन, मतलब बारिश होने वाली है। इट इज गोइंग टू रेन, बारिश होने जा रही है। अब समझ में आया कि इस सेंटेंस में in the previous sentence, this sentence is written in present tense and it shows the time future, present tense and future time. कोई doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now one more sentence is there. Milk is white. Milk is white. This sentence is written. Now tell me the tense of this sentence and time of this sentence.
Present tense. Sir, present tense.
present indefinite tense.
Very good. No, don't talk about indefinite. Don't talk about indefinite, continuous and perfect. Okay. Let us understand let us understand difference between time and tense. Okay. This sentence has been written in present. Okay. And this sentence shows time. That is past, present or future. What?
Present.
Present.
All.
Present.
tense.
Time is present. The time of the sentence is present, past or future.
Present.
Present, sir.
Present.
You all are sure?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, it
Okay.
is universal.
Now there is a confusion. Try to understand.
Sir, it will be in future also.
Okay. Very nice.
Sir,
Sir, it will be on past also because it's
Yes.
white.
universal.
Yes. This sentence is written in present tense. We can say that milk is white. Means this sentence is written in present tense, and this sentence shows thrice time. That is past, present, and future. Milk is white. It means not that milk was yellow, green, red. Milk was white. Milk is white. Milk will be white. ऐसा है क्या कि मिल्क का कलर चेंज होगा? मिल्क का कलर नहीं चेंज होगा. ठीक है. मिल्क का कलर पहले भी व्हाइट था, अभी भी व्हाइट है और कल भी व्हाइट रहेगा. तो वी कैन से विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, विदाउट एनी डाउट दैट
Future time.
yes, no, this sentence is written in present tense, and this sentence shows present, past and future. Past, present and future. This sentence shows time, right time, that is past, present, and future. Be careful. Sometimes these such types of sentences make us confused, make us in a dilemmatic condition through which tense we should go. That is present, past, or future. But be careful, if any types of such types of sentences will come before you, you can write without any hesitation that this is in past, present, or future. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let me write a few more sentences and let us understand difference between, let us identify the tense and time of the given sentences. Okay. I hope the train is not late. I hope the train is not late.
Future.
Future
You
tense.
listen. Just I am going to write a few sentences. First of all, it's your work that you identify the tense of the sentence
Present
and
perfect
time of the
continuous tense.
sentence. I hope the train is not late.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Present tense, sir.
Tomorrow is
Present.
Present.
Sunday.
Present.
Present में
Time. Future.
time future.
Hello.
The match takes place on Monday.
Present.
Present tense of future time.
Time future.
Time. Future.
Mr. Alex retires next month.
Present. Past.
Time
The
future.
chairman is about to resign.
Future.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written here 5 sentences.
Yes, sir.
5 sentences. You identify the tense and time of the given sentences. First one is, I hope the train is not
Present.
late.
Present.
Present.
Tense.
Present.
Present,
Very
past,
good.
and future.
Present tense.
Second, tomorrow is Sunday. The match takes place on Monday. Mr. Alex retires next month.
Present.
The chairman is about to resign.
Present.
Present tense. Very good.
Present
Means ki the
tense.
given sentences have been written in present tense.
Yes, sir.
Present.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the time of the given sentences? The given sentences shows which time? present time, future time,
future,
past time.
Future.
future,
Future.
Future.
All are,
future,
all
Yes,
sentences.
sir.
future, future.
Yes. The all
Yes, sir.
sentences have been written in present tense, and the all sentences shows the future time. Okay. I hope the train is not late. Means ki we are expecting about the future. This sentence has been written. This sentence is spoken by the person, written by the writer in present, and it shows it expect about future. Tomorrow is Sunday. This sentence, this verb, this auxiliary verb, this main verb shows the tense that is present.
Yes, sir.
But with the help of this sentence, we are expecting about future. That is tomorrow. And tomorrow will come tomorrow.
Yes.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very nice. In the same way, the match takes place on Monday. In this sentence also, we are expecting about future. That is Monday. Today is Saturday. Mr. Alex retires next month. In a general conversation, we are writing, we are saying,
Next,
Mr. Alex retires next month. This sentence shows the time of future. But
Yes, sir.
here, with the help of verb,
retire,
that is S is added, retires. We can say that this sentence has been written in present form. Next one is, the chairman is about to resign. As we have studied a few minutes before, it is about to rain. It is about to rain. In the same way, the chairman is about to resign. जो chairman है, वो अब resign करने वाले हैं. Means कि we are expecting, that is not fixed, that the chairman will resign. That is not fixed, but we are expecting with the help of this sentence, and this sentence has been written in present form. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. With the help of these sentences, we are learning the difference between time and tense, and also at the same time, we are doing the class exercise also. You have ruined my dress. You have ruined
you have
ruined my dress. You have ruined my dress. Are you able to understand? This sentence has been written in which tense, and this sentence shows
So present tense.
very good, and
Sir.
Present perfect.
time of the sentence,
Sir, past tense.
Past.
Past tense.
past tense. Very nice. Very nice. Huh? Okay. Okay, dear students, have you any doubt
No, sir.
regarding
Sir,
time and tense?
No,
no, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
no, sir.
So next session we will study about tense. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next session,
Yes, sir.
next session we will study about tense. We will start tense from present to future. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now it is time for stop. Now the next class is going to start. Be ready. with the pen and pencil after 10 minutes. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.